Well, I can see there's hands-on learning, not just the theory part.
Okay.
So that's the most interesting, and interacting with the teachers is the best part here.
So what is something new that you have been learning here as an intern at Networkers Home? Who is your go-to person and you are like, I have a problem, please solve this for me? Is there anyone?
Well, I see AI is the best friend in today's world, so that's why I can say that.
Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of our journey with AI interns, where we will see what these interns have been exploring in the world of AI so far. Today we have Nisar with us, who has been interning at Networkers Home for 1 month now. So let's dive into his journey.
Hi.
Hi Nisar.
Hi,
How are you doing today?
I'm doing all right. Hope you're doing well as well.
I'm doing good, thank you. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Sheikh Mohammed Nisar, and I'm from Bangalore, and I've worked in San Engineering Locomotive previously in Whitefield as a technical support engineer. And also during that time, I had worked in a Russian project which is RTM32, so I was in lead in there.
That's great.
During that time, I got to know about networking and more about VPN technology and things like that.
Okay, that's great.
So I landed up in Networkers Home from that.
That's great. So how did you come to know about Networkers Home, Nisar?
Well, I got to know this platform mainly because my sister used to be learning from the same institute, and she's placed in a good place organization. So through that, I got a referral to understand networking from her. So I joined here.
So what made you decide to choose Networkers Home, and what set us apart from the other places?
Well, I can see there's hands-on learning, not just the theory part.
Okay.
So that's the most interesting, and interacting with the teachers is the best part here. So that's what
great.
makes it different from other places.
So what is something new that you have been learning here as an intern at Networkers Home?
Well, during my graduation, I was come across data science previously, and applying that theory into real life and testing those using APIs is the next level. So that's the main reason I have joined this intern, and I'm enjoying it so far.
Great. How did you get to know about our internship?
Well, I got to know by Amit sir,
Okay.
and he, with the lab instructor Sumit sir, also said to me that there is an internship and you can join it. It'll be better for your future.
That's great. So how have you been finding this journey so far as an intern?
Well, it's fantastic, and I can see that my future is in the bright, and I will definitely learn more in coming future.
So what does your normal day look like as an intern here?
Well, starting from the data, we check whether it is like a database is clean or not. If we'll see that, and we check using SQL, and also by fetching that, we'll upgrade that into testing models and different like Gemini, Tableau, Claude, and stuff like that. And then we see how much accurate our results are, and see if there is accurate according to the manual testing as well. So that's how we get to validate each other, like using AI as well as manual testing, so that helps us.
That's great. So is this new to you, or have you been practicing it, or how
I have
did
just heard about this, and this is the first time I'm practicing it here in Networkers Home. So it is really glad to be here and this journey.
That's great. Is there any particular project that you are associated with?
Well, I have working on Mesh WG, and that is very interesting to see how like a network can be like guarded with VPN, and how it can be used with the help of Mesh. So that's how I was able to. It's new to me, and still there are a lot of things to learn, so I cannot describe them more.
No worries. What is the biggest challenge that you have faced so far in your internship?
Well, I haven't seen any of that challenge yet, because everyone is friendly and interactive, so I don't have any problem with understanding what I am doing. As far as problems, I don't see any.
In case you have, who is the person that you reach out to? Like, who is your go-to person and you are like, I have a problem, please solve this for me? Is there anyone?
Well, I see AI is the best friend in today's world, so that's why I can say that it is more reliable, but still I have buddies of mine who can tell me things which I'm stuck on. So, yes.
So what is the one skill that you have learned here as an intern and you think is going to be staying with you throughout your life?
Consistency. Before this, I wasn't able to keep up myself. So now, since the models are interesting, so I'm able to consistently working on it, and also getting progress every day. And reports are being generated every day. That is one of the best thing I have come across till now. And it will be there for my rest of my life.
What is the change that brought in you on a personal level as well?
Well, I thought like this is how it used to be. Like my expectation was that AI would solve everything, but it doesn't work like that.
Okay.
It works from basis on our understanding. The model has to be on it helps you or it completely destroys the whole journey. So AI can make the journey smooth or it can completely shift you in a different path. So that's how I can.
I agree with you. Yeah. And if someone is thinking of joining as an intern here at Networkers Home, what would you like to tell them?
Well, you need to have an open mind to be able to dynamically absorb new things, and the level of understanding that you require here is you will be appreciated a lot. And also learning new technologies and integrating them is the next thing that you can do.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much, Nisar, for joining us.
Thank you.
That's all for today. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you in another episode of Journey with our AI Interns. Thank you.